In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom section to your Behance profile. If you want your Behance profile to reflect more than just standard fields, adding a custom section is a great way to highlight unique information, things like press mentions, client testimonials, services, awards, or a short bio tailored to a specific audience. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Behance account so the editing options appear for you. Begin by opening your browser and going to behance.net. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. This menu is where Behance keeps everything related to your personal settings and profile. From that menu, choose Edit Profile Info. That will take you into the Profile Editor, which is the workspace where you manage what shows on your public page. Take a second to get familiar with this area. You'll typically see your existing sections laid out, along with controls for adjusting your profile details. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Plus, Add a Custom Section. Click it. This is your gateway to building a flexible, purpose-driven block of content on your page. The custom section is especially helpful if your work or story doesn't fit neatly into Behance's default categories. For example, you might use it to present a curated list of services, highlight certifications, gather testimonials, feature press and interviews, or outline your creative process at a high level. When you craft the content for this section, keep it concise and scannable. Use short paragraphs, clear headings, and consistent formatting so visitors can quickly find what matters. Avoid including personal contact details you don't want publicly visible. Instead, point people to the official contact methods already supported by Behance. If you reference projects or case studies, mention the project titles as they appear on your profile so viewers can find them easily. Think about mobile readers too. Break up text and keep sentences clean so it reads well on smaller screens. A practical tip is to write your content in a Notes app first, then paste it in to check spacing and line breaks. Keep the tone consistent with the rest of your profile, and make sure the custom section complements rather than duplicates existing information. That's all there is to it. Head to Behance, click your profile icon, open Edit Profile Info, and use Plus Add a Custom Section to showcase the details that make your portfolio stand out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your profile.